Colton here with Teton Workshop, and I'm going to show you guys how to install the Teton Workshop shifter knob and transfer case combo for the GL Wranglers and the Gladiators. So this is obviously out of a wrecked vehicle, and we're going to show you what you do in yours with all the trim. You're going to squeeze the boot together like this to pull it up. Pull it up far enough that you can see this screw. It's a a T25 torque Allen key that will be provided with the shifters when you buy them. Pull it out far enough to lift off here. You're going to have clips on each end here that you're going to need to be able to get something small enough in there and push them both on each side as you pull down on this to get that off. These don't have the clips, they've been broken out, but yours will have the clips. When you've got that, take your Teton Workshop shift knob, put it on here, and what you want to do is just check that when you push it down on there, it aligns on that to the hole through here. Pull it up. When you get this, you'll want the back side of the shifter knob with this screw here. So we'll slide in there. There's a little guide in the front of this, so allow it in. Pull it back up. Make sure all the way around you don't have anything pinching before you push it back up. You're going to slide that down there, and it will have a little bit of play there. This screw will align it as long as you can keep it up. There you go. Go in, and while you're doing this, you're going to be pressing down on that, keeping it in the right position. Go till you got tight in there, and you'll see how that's going to be flush in there. You can pull that back down, re-put these in, and just go through and make sure that all the gears go through smoothly. As long as you put it on there, have that hole in the right spot, it'll do just that. Other one, same thing, has these clips. You're going to want to pinch it together to pull up the boot. Get that same torque 25. And we're going to loosen it up all the way. And we're going to pull that off. So this, just the same thing. Make sure that's far enough out. You're going to separate those two. Now you have the Teton Workshop knob. Now what you're going to want to do is, there's a flat side and there's a side with a groove. The flat side here is the side you want to slide in that has the screw over there. That's what we're going to do. And that's what this one will line up with down in there. You got that, so guide that in. So once you got that down, and you put it on here, when you line it up, it'll slide down perfectly. Match that hole with there. Tighten that up until it's all the way in. Make sure you got that all the way around. And reclip that back into the trim. And then you got your full set put on. And it's just that easy. And if you have any issues, feel free to email us at info@tetonworkshopmfg.com, and we get any questions answered for you. Thanks.